Gracious God, you hold my weary hand. Through the fire, through the sinking sand, your voice, it whispers louder than my doubt. A calm within a world that screams and shouts. Gracious God,